All right, y'all, so today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my shish kebabs down here in New Orleans. We're gonna make sausage and chicken shish kebabs, okay? Of course, we got some onions and some different bell peppers, some good pineapple, all right, some tomatoes. So let's go. We're gonna go ahead and do these shish kebabs on the grill or what have you. Everything starts in the kitchen, okay? So let's just go ahead on and get you some nice chunks of chicken, something like that, some nice little pieces, you know what I mean? So pretty much y'all just go ahead and get as much of the fat off as you can, and don't cut your chunks too small, okay? Because of course whenever we cook it up, it's gonna shrivel down in size, okay? So something kind of like this would be nice, you know what I mean? Like a nice little size chunk of meat. It's gonna shrivel down, okay? So just trust that to happen. And like I say, go ahead and I'm gonna do 3 chicken breasts, y'all, and it's gonna produce pretty good amount. I'm also gonna be cutting up this pre-cooked sausage, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do and how to do it. I'll be back when I'm done these chicken breasts. All right, y'all, so we got the chicken cut down in little quarter pieces, okay? Go ahead and put that in the skillet, all right? Get all that there up in the skillet. Like so. Then what I want you to do, take your Cajun seasoning, okay? Gotta have some good flavor on these shish kebabs, okay? So go ahead with that. Go ahead with some parsley, all right? Look. Check that out. I'm telling y'all, these gonna be some of the best shish kebabs you ever had. I guarantee it. Some Italian dressing, okay? Go with some Italian dressing. All right, look. Check that out. All right, about that much out of the bottle. That's good. W sauce. 2 or 3 tablespoons be good. Nothing crazy. And then, let's go ahead on and get this mix around, y'all. Now see, y'all, what I like to do is get my chicken cooked up, you know, 60–70% of the way. For the simple fact of we're using pre-cooked sausage and your vegetables and tomatoes and pineapple. All this all cooks so fast, okay? So if I start with raw chicken on the grill, it takes so long for the big chunks of chicken to cook that everything else gets burned up. So let's go to the stove. Like I said, you got this here on your heat. Go ahead and give it, make sure it's all well marinated and mixed together with the seasonings everywhere. And what I want you to do is like I said, go ahead and cook this chicken 60–70%, okay? Don't go to 100% because we still got to go down to the grill. Chicken's cooking on low on the stove. Go ahead with your pre-cooked sausage, okay? And just cut you some nice little chunks about like here, okay? Look, about like that, you know? Give or take, something like that. And depending upon how much sausage you want on there, you know, I mean, that's a lot of sausage right there. So if you're having like a big old cookout or something like that, yeah, get you a big one. But if not, get you a pound and see how much you feel like you need, you know, depending on how many you're gonna make. But just get you some chunks, like I say, about like that's good, you know. I'll tell you what, watch when I show you your shish kebabs, y'all. And my people that like shish kebabs, you're gonna love this recipe. So now let's just go ahead on and cut up our vegetables, okay? So you don't want these too small, you know what I mean? Like, so take it like that, do like a little, that's good right there. 4 pieces on, something like that, look. That's beautiful, okay? Like that. And then just continue on, of course, with all your other bell peppers, all right? And I'll show you how we do it. This is about the size you want though. Something like that, that's nice, okay? So, not too big, but definitely not too small either. Because like I said, I mean, everything gonna shrivel down whenever you're cooking it, okay? So, try and keep that in mind when you're making shish kebabs, that it's gonna cook down, it's gonna shrivel up, and you still want something there when you're done. Otherwise, everyone's gonna be like, man, these are some raggedy old shish kebabs you made, and you don't want that happening, okay? So, just continue that process, guys. Just like that, okay? I like that. That might be a little big. Go ahead and cut this one in half. Like so. Just whatever you think. Really, whatever size you want, but that's about the size I like. Because like I said, I don't want to not have nothing there, okay? All right, y'all. So we done cooked all them delicious seasonings up in that, okay? Now I'd say that's about probably 80% done, to be honest with you. I want you to go ahead on and shut that down. And then put that down the strainer, all right? And let it cool down so we can go to the next step. Well, that smells so good already though, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you, it smells delicious, okay? And we ain't done seasoning it yet, so just hold up. So let's go ahead and get this yellow onion how we want it, okay? I just cut it down the middle is what I like to do. for my shish kebabs. And then I do like this, right? Just like that, okay? Simple enough. And then I just go ahead on, of course, and just break it down in little pieces. For that, just go ahead and break it apart. And that's the size I like to use, okay? For myself, I just starting to water it now. That's what I like to use, y'all. So just go ahead on and break them all apart like this, okay? Top of that, we got the chicken. Look, it's already cooling down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me show you. Chicken's cooling down. All these absolutely delicious vegetables. I like to get different colors because they all taste just absolutely different and delicious in their own way. Of course, the yellow onion, pre-cooked sausage, and these little tomatoes, y'all, go real good on shish kebab, okay? They just pop right in your mouth after you grill them. They're absolutely delicious, so we're going with that. And you definitely can't leave out your pineapple, okay? So, got a box of some pineapples here. I wanted to tell you what I did with my shish kebab sticks, because they're wooden. So what you do is, before you're gonna grill, go ahead and put them in like a deep pot or water pitcher or whatever have you, and soak your sticks in water so that they don't burn up on the grill, because you don't want your shish kebab sticks to burn up in half and fall apart. So soak them for at least 30 minutes, if not an hour, okay? All right, so y'all can see these been soaking in water. I guess you can tell by the color. So now it's the fun part, okay? Just take your old shish kebab stick and start with whatever you want. Now I'm gonna go with some chicken first. Okay, and then you can just go with some vegetables and go with some sausage, y'all. And don't put it too close together. It ain't gonna be too far or too close. Like something like that is good, okay? So then just go with, like I said, it's kind of just whatever you want on yours, okay? However you want it to look, as far as meat, as far as vegetables. Like I told you, these tomatoes, man, they're absolutely delicious. Once you go ahead and get them on the grill, they just pop right in your mouth. So you want it to look something kind of like that, okay? When this thing comes off that grill, you're gonna be like, man, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for. All right, y'all, so now shish kebabs made. Almost ready for the grill, but one more step, okay? Get 2 sticks of butter. Throw your 2 sticks of butter in your bowl, okay? On top of that, go about a teaspoon of the W sauce, okay? Now, 1 spoonful of minced garlic. You gotta have that. Okay, about so much is good. All right, and then on top of that, put you some parsley. Okay, not too much. Tablespoon is good. Go ahead and melt that down in the microwave about 30 seconds at a time. All right, y'all. So the butter garlic sauce that we done made, go ahead and put that right on top of your foods. Okay, right on top of the shish kebabs. If you got time, just go ahead and let them marinate for a little while. If not, well, just put them on the grill. Okay, it's just gonna make it all that much more better. Believe me. Check it out. All right, now we're gonna do. Got shish kebabs, grill's going. Let's go. So the grill's heated up, y'all. All right, go ahead and drop these big old shish kebabs right up on there. Let's get to cooking. Me personally, y'all, I don't like the gas grills. I like charcoal myself. I just like the flavor it puts off. But let me tell you something, y'all. Watch what these suckers are gonna look like, boy. This is gonna be some good eating here. You hear me? Especially with that butter sauce on there, man. Telling y'all, you gotta get this one a try, okay? I guarantee you, you and the family gonna enjoy this one. All right? Got a lot of flavor in this meal right here. Let's see, one last one right there. Look at all that there butter sauce and all that. Save that for the next round of them. All right, y'all, so on the grill at about 350 degrees for about 6 minutes. Then just go ahead on, y'all, and flip them over, okay? Suckers are hot now. Should be about perfect. You don't want to leave them too long because everything will start sticking to the grill too much, okay? But you do want to leave them long enough where they get some of that good, beautiful look to it, okay? Like so. Look at that, y'all. Check that out. That's after, like I said, about 6 minutes. All right, y'all, so it's time to take them off. They did at 350 degrees, like I said, 6 minutes on each side. And I just go ahead on, y'all. Get them up off the grill, and it's time to enjoy, okay? Look, I mean, you can just see they're beautiful. Now, if you leave them on too long, your tomatoes and everything gonna start falling apart on you. On too long and overcook them now. You don't want everything, like I said, falling apart, falling off, and everything else, okay? You still want them nice and juicy with some crunch to them vegetables. with the flavors of that sausage and chicken, y'all. Come on, it don't get no better, I'm telling you. All right, y'all, so we got the shish kebabs that are ready to go. Okay, we're gonna eat those in a second, but I also made this tray on this aluminum foil. We have everything that's on the shish kebab and just how we seasoned it with the W sauce and the butter and the garlic and the Cajun seasoning and the Italian dressing and the whole works. Okay, it's all up in here. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go through this whole, I'm gonna take it off the pan. I'm gonna just throw this on the grill just like so. So if it's just you and the family and you don't need nothing fancy, you don't need the sticks or whatever, no big deal. When that comes off the grill, it's gonna be fabulous, okay? But I'll put that on in a second. Check that out. I mean, come on, that's good eating now. So that pineapple, y'all, with that chicken, these vegetables, with all the different flavors we put on it, I mean, y'all, it's sweet, and then it's got a little kick spice to it. I mean, it's absolutely delicious. Definitely give this recipe a try. If you like it, please hit the like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next time, okay?